Power wash, Salisbury, Maryland. This is specifically a video for our guys for training. They understand how to use the transfer pump. So we've got our bulk storage water tank here. It's a 550 gallon tank, which is 25 gallons more than what either one of those tanks holds. Big important detail. We open up that, or put the cam lock on there, open that up. That's coming through here into the bottom, which is that's the inlet of the tank. We have our outlet up here. That's going in. Normally this plastic won't be on here. We'll rip it off in just a second. But you can see we've got another ball valve and cam lock. So that's open, that's filling up. When we're finished, what we're gonna do is we'll undo this. We'll close that, undo it, and we'll close that one and undo it. So when we get to the job site, we're gonna take this inlet one, we'll have that, we'll get connected to the tank right here. And then this one that's been disconnected will then be connected or dumped into the top of whatever other tank. We don't need to undo these fittings here. We'll actually end up pulling this and sliding it across, so that way this hose isn't shooting real far out the side. It's just the way that where we had the truck set up, that was the ideal spot to put it. Again, we're gonna get all this plastic off of here so we can actually see how much water's in there. It looks like we've already, let's see how much we've got in there. All right, so we've already moved about 200 gallons of water in about 2 minutes. This should only take, once we pull up, about 5 to 10 minutes total to be able to transfer all that water into there and leave. We've got the Hudson float valve on top of here, so we'll have the hose filling that up as soon as we leave or as soon as we're done. Right now we do have it filling up this other tank. That's really the only thing that's different right now than what we would normally do as far as getting these tanks going and being able to bring water to a job site. Usually we would only have one tank here that would be getting filled, and then we would be rallying that back to the job site. Again, this just allows us to transfer that water faster. That 2-inch transfer pump, if it's not working properly, if you're not getting any water out of it, it may need to be primed. We unscrew that, fill that up with 1 bottle of water. Here we can literally take any empty container, dip it in there, pull the water out, fill it up, start it up. If it still is not working properly, you can throttle this down. That way or just even turn it off and then turn it back on at half throttle. Sometimes it just needs to get rid of that air pocket that's in there. But once that's going, again, it'll go ahead and move it all. We just have to make sure that we don't let this thing overflow or overfill. Everything's strapped down and we're good to go. So that's how we use the trash pump. And the rest of it, you just have your on off, that little red button right